Tell you, yeah. You already know, man. You hear me? I'ma do it again and again and again. Bars that all waffles. Bars, you hear me? I told y'all, man, we the best. You hear me? All the links, hey, it's the same spot on all the channels in the community. Bars, you already know I be rocking, man. Yeah, the link is where all the links be in the community, right there for you. Bam, bam. Appreciate the real ones, y'all. No cap, man. We the best. Y'all already know. Hey, fire in the whole. Hey, hey, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go. Now it's on the other guys in the community. I'm posting on both of the channels. Yeah, the link is up. No cap. Bars. Yeah, if not, hit this link on the community. Hit this. We the best. Bars. We ain't playing. Yeah, hit the link. What's up? We just chilling now. Bars. Hey, appreciate the real one, y'all. No cap. Let's go. Hey, let's go in the community, y'all. Oh, fuck on y'all. I'm supposed to link first. Yeah, bars. Hey, must be me. Hey, bars. Let's go, y'all. I told y'all. Didn't I tell y'all, man, we're gonna keep this shit popping? No cap, man. Hear me? Yeah. It's all good, everybody. Pop out, rock out. Bars. There you go. Bars. Go. 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 You already know what's up with it, fam. What to do, what it do. We the best. Bars.
What's up with you,
What's
huh?
good with you? CB is in the building.
Man,
Bars.
what's up with
What
you,
up,
huh?
fam?
What's up with you, man?
Man, you know me, man. I'm staying in the groove. You need bars. You already know we ain't stopping, man. We just getting better. You hear me? We just
Hey,
getting better.
I don't know why they be hating on you, huh? You hear me? All you be doing is keeping it real. I don't,
Man, I can't change, man. I can't change, bro. You already know how we do, man. You hear me?
hey,
Gotta keep
hey,
it popping.
they trying to get you up out of here. You hear me?
They trying. Hey, what's up with it? 762 Chopper Season in the building. Say,
What's up,
Mike, that is
man?
my new channel. You hear me? Pop out, rock out bars. You already know, bro. You hear me? I gotta keep it lit. You hear me? New year, new shit. Bars. You already know how we do it, Chopper Season. Bars.
Hey,
So,
you
yeah, y'all
gotta.
go check out the new channel.
Hey, it was some motherfuckers on the live yesterday, man. I ain't gonna lie, motherfuckers be playing. I guess you could say motherfuckers be doing ping pong. Motherfuckers be coming to the channel knowing damn well that they do not be fucking with us, man.
You see that
I'm
shit? You
telling.
see that shit?
I'm telling.
You see?
I started to say something. I'm like, nah. I'm like, fuck all that.
Say,
Motherfuckers,
we
motherfuckers
got
coming in.
those.
Motherfuckers coming in the channel and saying, "Hey, I love you guys" and all this shit, knowing damn well you with them motherfuckers.
You know it, bro. Say that why we trying to tell you, man. Say we got those, man, for real. We
Mm-hmm.
got those, man. I be trying to tell y'all, man. Say you gotta keep it in yourself, keep it popping. You can't stop somebody from off a what? Man, we popping. If we pop one time, we can pop two times, we can pop three times, we can pop four times.
Hey,
What?
we gonna pop however many shots in it. You hear me?
It is. We like a chopper, baby. We
For
can keep
real.
popping. It is. Let's go.
What y'all be saying is chopper season, man.
It is chopper season in the building, man. Say,
Like Big Mike say, it's chopper season, man.